Alright, well, it's recording now, but
well,
I'm not even in frame, bro.
Hey, get too close to me, man.
I'm not.
Come on, man.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Gang, we're back for another video, and today I'm here with this tool. But anyway,
oh my God.
But yeah, I'm with this tool. Introduce yourself.
Dude, what's going on, Docs Gang? I'm Vikash. Best friends since childhood.
Like 12
We've been going
years.
to school together since what? Kindergarten? No, he was in Holland. Yeah, bro, second grade. Second grade out here. And now my man's about to blow up. So like, yeah, I'm here to just, you know, piggyback.
Yeah, basically, we're about to make a beat today. Trippie type beat. But yeah, we'll see what we can do. And oh yeah, what's it called? We're gonna be making an album with a very, very special person. Can't tell you guys that right now, but just wait on it, just coming. But if you guys like the video, make sure you like. Also, turn on post notifications after you subscribe, and yeah, that's about it. Let's get into this video. Yeah, so we're on my computer now. Ready to make a beat with this guy.
Let's do it.
Yo, so I'm gonna use Omnisphere.
Shocker.
Yeah.
Big shocker.
Alright, let's just get a melody going. I don't even know.
Let's do it. You going for bells? What are you doing?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going for bells.
Shocker.
Hold up. I'm gonna start with my freaking piano melody first.
Okay.
And let's find like a nice melody. Well, I can't play piano, so
Alright. Let's see if I can cook something up.
Alright, cool.
You can edit this, right? Because this might take.
Yes, I can. Yeah, trust me. I'm not keeping all this bullshit.
Okay, good.
I might though.
No,
That didn't make any sense. Alright, go ahead.
Honestly,
bro.
let's see. Alright.
Let's see. This is
Always gotta start at C. Let's see. I'm seeing which one I want. Shut up.
Alright, now I got you.
I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright, let's see. This probably sounds so. That is so out of place. Oh.
Turn on
No,
the.
I like the.
Oh yeah, the
That's what I
quantization.
want, yeah.
Such a hard ass tap, man.
Sorry, man.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, I'm gonna change this. I'm just gonna change the pitch.
That's fine, yeah.
I kind of like this.
I like this too.
Let's get rid of that weird. I'm gonna turn on arpeggio. And of course, we gotta use.
Gross speed.
We gotta use it. You know what I'm saying?
Well, let's see. Honestly, I'm just so ready to add the drums.
Yeah, so am I.
Drums are always just so fucking nice.
Alright, so I was thinking of adding like a flute to this one.
Yeah, why not?
Alright, you finish it because
Alright,
you know what I'm saying.
Okay.
You have to do shit in the video. Or else
I did this out where I look stupid. I told you, I'm not as skilled at this thing that you are. It takes me much longer to do.
yeah, it's obviously it sounds like crap right now because like, I don't know why it sounds so bad at first. Yeah, so let's fix that real quick. Let's EQ it and everything. Then we can move on to the drums finally because you know what I'm saying, it's the best part of the beats because
reverb.
only things that matter when you're making beats is gross beat
and
reverb. It's literally all you need.
Make that shit wet.
Yeah, bro.
Real wet. Reverb.
Alright, and there's also another thing I could do with this. Just of course, you know, add some gross beat to that shit because
Oh, no, 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 no.
Alright, the melody's done, so we gotta just get to these drums because this man's been waiting, I've been waiting, so we about
Favorite part.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We about to just about to up.
Foreshadow, he's about to make a complicated ass hi-hat, just in case you guys didn't know.
You know what, I'm gonna let you do it. You can do the hi-hat pattern.
Alright, let's see. Let me do it.
I'm gonna let you do it. And if
We add some fun rolls here and there. Here we go.
You know, it's all you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, cause fucking Windows. Where's Alt?
Alt.
Oh my god.
Yo, you gotta
Not
highlight.
a Windows guy. Not a Windows
You gotta
guy.
highlight, like whatever,
Oh,
like
gotcha,
that one.
yeah.
Oh, well, that one.
Here, that's the one. that's a lot. I want to pitch these down here.
Okay, he's learning. He's learning. He knows how to do the south side rolls.
I don't fucking use this mouth. How do I unhighlight this now? Like, thank you. I want to get.
Are you gonna do the little stair?
I love
Okay,
he's
been watching the videos. Okay.
Is it gonna do the loop points?
Actually, did I turn those off? I did not. Good. He's been watching my videos, bro.
Man.
He's been watching my videos.
Hey, man. And then, at the end, alright, I already know. At the end, I want that little bump, and then it goes like. You know that shit? Like where it does like the. I'm gonna do that shit right now.
Like the low.
Yeah, like the really. Like these ones, like here, there's 3 of them.
Yo, this how you know this man's a real one. He's been watching my videos, bro.
How do you highlight something?
You just control and then drag.
Oh, it's control on this one. That's why.
What's on yours?
I think it's command or something.
Yeah, this is why you don't use Max.
Oh, fuck you. Alright, let's. At the end.
Yeah.
That's the key.
You go ahead, do it in the higher octave, and
how the hell? Alright.
You just figure it out. You can do
Alright,
it.
you know what?
Just do
Yeah,
something.
I'll figure it out. Yeah, why not?
You got it.
Alright.
12 seconds later.
Yikes.
That sounds like like absolute How do you do this so easy? Like, guys, this is really hard. Like, I don't know how you do this so easy.
I don't have a life. That's my explanation.
Hey, I made the melody. I made like half the melody.
Yeah, of
and
course.
I'm gonna add some kicks.
Well,
like,
yeah.
It's not that bad, guys. Like,
Fucking
Jesus
loves the
Christ.
kicks. What the hell's a shaper?
Make that shit hit. Ooh.
That fat bass make it wet. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's EQ that real quick.
What's the difference between EQ1 and EQ2?
EQ1 is for pussies.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I call wave shaping the kicks.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. Yeah, you can hear that now.
That's nice.
But what else do I need? Oh yeah, the kicks. What am I saying? Oh yeah, I'm gonna let you do the kicks. I'm gonna let you do the kicks since you're so excited to do it, and we'll be done with this shit.
Edit it heavily so that way it doesn't show how long it actually takes.
Yeah, of course, I'm not gonna do that.
Alright,
I'm not gonna leave all this shit in.
I don't know where they're supposed to go, but I just want to like.
I mean, you honestly like a good way when you're doing the sub basses.
Yeah.
To like a good beginner tip is just put them where the different notes start. So like there.
Okay, we'll start with that.
Yeah, you can start with that.
We'll go from there.
It's just gonna sound nice, plain, basic.
Good. Let's just hear basic.
He got it.
Alright, so now how would you spice this up?
Alright, so basically, first of all, I would turn them up because they sound like
velocities too, right? Yeah, you gotta turn this shit up.
They sound like a little 3-year-old trying to kick a soccer
little
ball.
Baby kicks.
Now we're trying to make this sound like a bomb. What's more, bro?
This is nice. Fucking what was that?
What?
20 minutes, guys. That's crazy.
That was 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
We made fire. Like that.
But yeah, there's the beat. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed him being here. My best friend for like 13 years. But yeah, go ahead, follow him on Instagram.
Follow me, guys, please.
I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah, man. We are trying to get big. But if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share with your friends. Comment on videos that you do in the future. Subscribe, of course. Y'all know. Y'all already know. Subscribe to the channel. And see y'all in the next one. Peace.